Fixing the most common issues your end users are experiencing starts with gaining visibility of these issues as they are occurring and becoming data-driven. One thing I want to highlight is that it can be easy to take the first step with a DEXi-made simple product such as Applixure. Initially, it's usually best to appoint one of your IT team members to take Applixure Analytics, for example, into use and provide 5-minute reports of your end-user computer environment in your weekly IT meetings. During those 5-minute reports, your IT team will have a whole new visibility of your end-user computers. You'll start to notice issues that you need to fix immediately, but also issues that you need to prevent in the future. At this point, you've already taken your first step towards providing an excellent end-user IT experience, which will eventually transform the way of working in the future. In the longer term, improving the digital employee experience at your company will follow these clearly defined stages, so here they are. Start collecting relevant data to get true visibility of your computers and software. Then, manage your operations with the collected data. Then you can start defining your baseline. Then automate collected data into manageable work tasks. And then finally, you can start collecting feedback from end users. But it's critical not to jump ahead and to start from the beginning and to gain visibility of the health of your computer environment. If you'd like to book a free assessment to provide you with a clear indication of the current DEX status of your computer environment and what needs prioritizing right now in the environment that you manage, please do reach out via the link below or the URL on the screen. See you next time.